Okay, so good evening, Rakshan. So for today, we are going to focus on dividing decimals numbers. Can you go to a place where you're like comfortable? And do you have
Um,
like paper and pen on your side?
yeah.
Okay. So we will start on um dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So when you divide a decimal by a whole number, you keep the decimal point in the same place in your answer, which is the quotient. When you are dividing, the answer is called the quotient. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if the division doesn't finish, okay, there's a remainder, you can add zeros to the dividend. The dividend is the number being divided. So, si dividend is the inside, okay? And then, and keep going until the remainder is gone or the digits start repeating. Example, we have 8.455 divided by 5. So this one, 8.455 is being divided by 5. So just like this one. So what is your first step, Rakshan?
Uh, remove the decimal place.
Why
Put the
do
decimal place. Put the decimal place on top. The
oh,
decimal on top.
okay, align it.
And
Okay.
transfer it in.
You keep the decimal point in the same place in your answer. Okay, this one. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you divide 8 by 5. And that's what?
8/5.
Yeah, you divide 8 by 5. So it's kind of like how many fives can you make in 8?
8. 1.
Okay, 1. So 1 times 5, Rakshan, that's what?
1 times 5. Uh, 5. 5.
Okay, 5. And then 8 minus 5.
8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 3. Picture 3.
Okay, 3. And then bring down 4. So bring down the next digit, which is 4, making it 34. Now you divide 34 by 4, I by 5, and that's what?
34/5. The 5. 6. Teacher 6.
Okay, 6. 6 times 5.
6 times 5. 6 times 30. Teacher, 30.
And then 34 minus 30.
34 minus 30.
What is the remainder?
Wait, 34 minus 30 is. Wait, there's a remainder?
Yes,
4?
4. Yeah, 4. And then we bring down the next digit, which is 5, making it 45, and you divide it by 5.
Okay. What do I do, teacher?
You divide 45 by 5 po.
45 by 5. That's 9.
Okay, so 9 times 5.
9 times 5 is 9 times 5. 45.
Okay, 45. So 45 minus 45, that would be 0, but you still have 5, so you must bring it down. So divide 5 by 5, you get what, Rakshan?
5 by 5.
5 divided by 5. If you're dividing 5 by the number
5 divided
itself,
by 5. 35.
5 divided by 5,
1.
1. So 1 times 5 is 5, and that would be 0, so no remainder. So what is the answer for 8.455 divided by 5? That is?
8. Teacher, what did you say? 1.691.
Okay, so that is our quotient. Okay?
Quotient. Teacher, what is a quotient answer?
Quotient is the answer. Okay, in division. When it comes to multiplication, the answer is product. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we proceed on dividing a decimal number by another decimal. Okay, so what is your first step here? First, make the divisor. Okay, make the divisor or the number you are dividing by into a whole number. Okay, listen carefully
Okay.
po, Rakshan. So you do this by what? Moving the
Place.
decimal point to the right. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do. Then whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to the dividend. Whatever you do
To the
to
divisor.
a divisor,
You do to the dividend?
yes, you must also do to the dividend. So divisor is the outside part. Okay, divisor is the outside part. Dividend is inside. Then up, then the top part of the dividend is our quotient, which is the final answer. Now, for example, and then, okay, after whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to
To the
do to the
dividend.
dividend. So if your divisor, you move it 2 places to the right, you must also move 2 places
To
to
the
the
left.
right. No, to the
Huh?
right, the dividend, our dividend.
Okay.
Okay? And then divide normally, keeping the decimal point in the correct place. For
Okay.
example, we have 0.2505 divided by 0.2. So if we do this one in a long division, it's 0.2505 divided by 0.2. Again, make the divisor into a whole number. Our divisor, we move it once, and now it became 2. So, whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to the dividend. So, you move the decimal point once, and it became whole number. So, you move this once also. So, it's 2.505.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. So, 2.505 and then 2. So, now you start.
1,
1 times 2.
2,
Subtract it.
bring 0, bring down 5.
Okay, and then also align the decimal point here. So 5 divided by 2,
5 divided by 2. Uh, 5 divided by 2. 2,
2 times 2,
4.
5 minus 4,
5 minus 5. 1.
bring down,
Bring down. Bring down 5.
we bring down 0 because
Bring down 0.
we're done here. So 10,
10, 5.
so 5, so 5 times 2,
5 times 2. 5 times 2. Wait. 5. 10.
10. So it's 0, and then we bring down 5. So 5
Okay.
divided by 2,
5 divided by 2. 2.
and then 2 times 2, that's 4. And we still have a remainder. So 5 minus 4, that
5.
is 1.
5 1.
And we still have a remainder. So what are we going to do? If we
Add
have a
0.
remainder, so we add 0. So this is 0. So it's 10. So 10 divided by 2,
5.
5. Then 5 times 2,
5 times 2. 5 times 2. Wait, 5, 2, 10.
10, and then 0. So we don't have anything to divide because we don't have any remainder. So what is our final answer for 0.2505 divided by 0.2? The answer is, the quotient is 1.
1.2525.
Okay, 1 and 2,525. Any question regarding dividing a decimal number by another decimal?
No.
Just remember, the first thing that you must do is make the divisor, the outside part, into a whole number. Okay, so you do this by moving the decimal point to the right. Now, whatever you do to the divisor, you must also do to the dividend. Okay, so if your divisor, you moved it twice or thrice, you also move the dividend twice or thrice. Then, divide normally, keeping the decimal point in the correct place. Okay. Now, next is dividing.
Only na light ano yang. Sleep. Sit na.
Dividing a whole number by a decimal. Again, make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point to the right. Do the same to the dividend and divide normally. Okay, this time we are dividing a whole number by a decimal. So 251 divided by 2.5, if you do it in a long division, it's 251 divided by 2.5. If you move it, how many move will it take? So our divisor is a whole number.
A whole number. Okay.
You move it once. So 2.5, you move it once, so it becomes 25. And then since you move it once, you also move the decimal point here once. So you add 0. So 2,510 divided by 25. Rakshan, where are you? Can you please open your cam?
Teacher, my cam is off.
Yes. Yes.
Is it on? Is it on now?
Yes, it's on na po.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Okay. Divide 2,510 by 25. So we cannot subtract. We
One
cannot.
above 5. Teacher, 1 above 5.
Okay, 1 above 5. So 1 times 25.
1 times 25. 25.
And then 25 minus 25, that would be 0. We bring down 1. Can we divide 1 by 25?
No. No.
So what will you do?
Bring down 0?
We bring down 0, but we put 0 here.
Where?
On top of 1. Since we cannot divide 1 by 25, the answer is 0.
Okay.
And can we divide 10 by 25?
10 by 25. No.
So we put 0 again on top of 0. And we add another 0. So this is a decimal point now. And then bring down 0. So 100 divided by 25.
100 divided by 25. 25. 2, 3, 4.
4. So 4 times 25.
100.
100. So it's 0. So 251 divided by 2.5, the answer is 100.4. So key reminders, always move the decimal point in both numbers the same number of places. This keeps the value the same. Place the decimal point in the quotient directly above the dividend's decimal point. Add zeros if needed to finish dividing. Okay, let's try a few together. 6.84 divided by 4. So long division, 6.84 divided by 4.
Align the decimal place and put it on top. 1 on top of 6.
Say hi, bro. Say hi.
4 under 6. 2.
Say hi.
Bring down 8.
What?
7.
I go pee. Stay. Say that.
Times 4, 28.
Mamaya sleep
0. Bring down 4.
na, Tara. Sleep na.
1. 4. 0.
Okay, so no remainder. Final answer is
171.
1 and
71.
71. Okay, so that's correct. Next one, 0.36 divided by 0.12. If you write it in a long division, that would be 0.36 divided by 0.12. What are you going to do here?
One, two decimal places to the right.
So it becomes 12 and also this part.
36.
Okay, so 36 divided by 12.
12. 3.
Okay, that would be 3. So 3 times 12, that is 36. So 0.36 divided by 0.15, the answer is
3.
3. Okay. And lastly, 75 divided by 0.5.
Uh, one decimal place to the right.
So 75, 0.5. One places to the right and another one here. So 5 and then
5. 750.
and then
1. 5. 2. Ring down 5. 5. Uh, wait. 5. Huh? Wait, huh? 5. Huh?
5 times 5.
5 times 25.
0.
Ring.
Bring down 0. Cannot divide 0 by 5, so you write down 0. So we don't have anything to bring down, and the answer is already 0. So what is our final answer for 75 divided by
150.
0.5? So that's 150. Okay. So Rakshan, the trickiest part here is remembering to move the decimal point in both numbers the same way when the divisor is a decimal. So once you do that, it's just like normal division. Okay? So that would be all for our first session. So we've talked about dividing a whole number by a decimal, dividing a decimal number by another decimal, and dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Okay? So we each topics provided examples, then together we answer 3 items. Okay? So I'll just end my class and join right away. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.